Hello, and welcome to NextMove Technologies. My name is Adam, and today I'll be showing you how to control a NextMove Technologies link-align antenna positioner using geo and pedestal bearings. This video builds on the previous videos in the series, so if you haven't been following along, make sure to watch the first video in our series to see how to set up a NextMove positioner. In addition to controlling a positioner with purely manual controls, it is also possible to control a positioner with bearings, relative to either the positioner's internal rotation or to its geographic bearings. In simpler terms, each positioner has a certain amount of rotational range before it reaches the internal limit of its driving mechanism. This is what's known as pedestal position, and it tells you how far in relation to its maximum potential rotation a positioner has traveled. For example, the LA360 FER20 has plus or minus 200 degrees of rotation, and if its pedestal position were to be at 0 degrees, it would be exactly in the middle of its range. If it were to be at either negative 200 or positive 200, it would be at the limit of its range in either the negative or positive directions, respectively. This is in contrast to a geographic position, in which 0 degrees is unaffected by the positioner's pedestal position and instead represents true north. To clarify, 0 degrees does not point towards magnetic north, it points towards true north. Whether in pedestal or geo mode, the window will show the maximum rotation in each axis of the positioner with a place to enter a new bearing. Below, the GUI displays the maximum possible rotation of the positioner as relative to its pedestal position as a blue progress bar, which functions identically in both the pedestal and geo modes. Users can enter new bearings for the positioner to travel to, and if the bearing is within the range of the positioner, the bearing will flash green and the positioner will begin to move. If not, the bearing will flash red and the positioner will not begin to move. As a note, if the user enters a bearing in geo mode that is less than 0 degrees or greater than 360 degrees, the positioner will continue to add or subtract full rotations, 360 degrees respectively, until the bearing is between 0 and 360 degrees, and then it will travel to that bearing. Occasionally, the positioner may run into its rotation limit and need to unwrap before continuing with a given command or track when in geo mode. Instead of continuing to travel in its current direction, the positioner will rotate 360 degrees in the opposite direction before continuing to follow the given command. This is not an issue when using a continuous 360 degree product, such as our C360 series positioners. Once a new bearing is entered into the GUI, click Go or hit the Enter key to adjust the given axis, or click Store to save the position. This video is part of a comprehensive video series detailing how to operate a NextMove positioner. To learn more, check out the next video in the series or visit our website at www.nextmovetech.com. Happy positioning!